Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Alex. Alex. If you're new here, I'm a cruelty-free indie who loves to play with makeup and of course tends to buy a lot of makeup whenever I want. And of course, you've been here before. Welcome back. So today's video is LiveGlam, and their palette is, oh my gosh, it's such a pretty palette. If you don't know what LiveGlam is, they have 3 subscriptions for you guys. One is a brush subscription where you get 4 to 5 makeup brush products for $19.99 for every month. They do have a lippy subscription for you guys who you love lippy colors and different colors and everything else every month. That is $19.99, and of course you get the shadow palettes up to 9 to 12 eyeshadow pan, 9 shadow pan palette to a 12 eyeshadow pan palette for $19.99 for every 2 months. So one thing also about LiveGlam, I might as well tell you, you can trade, you can skip, and also of course use your points. Yeah. Thing about if you don't like the particular palette, they do have other things you can pick out. They do have new brands, new things coming out in their shop. I say it's better to be a member than because you get a good discounts on their eyeshadows for any product you get. So they got liquid eyeliners, they got a whole bunch of stuff. But yeah, so for this month is Boujee. It's just how it looks like. It's such a pretty palette, and you get these shades. Almost drop it. So you get 1 glitter and 5 mattes. Not 5 mattes. 4 shimmers. No, going backwards on you guys. 5 shimmers and 4 mattes. So these are very, very good. Then you actually see how I got this look and of this thing. Of what I'm doing, I don't know. So then they'll give you a card to see. It's a Boujee. To tell you what it is now. It's a first-class royalty palette made exclusively for queens, which is everybody's queen, and living that Boujee lifestyle. Hey sugar, sugar, why throw shade when you can throw shimmer? It's time to adjust your crown. Our new Boujee eyeshadow palette is made exclusively for queens with 5 glossy shimmers, 4 posh mattes, and 1 pressed glitter. She's expensive. In a world of full rhinestones, you are a diamond, darling. Take time to stop and smell the rosé and embrace the endless possibilities of this versatile designer drip palette. Every hustler needs the perfect game-changing shades in their collection, dreaming to make reservations on their private island. Hop into the jet-setting life and let your makeup game take off with this first-class palette. So I want to show you what each one there is, and of course I'll tell you what the formula is because I have many other eyeshadow palettes. Now Sugar is a shimmer. Yeah, it is a shimmer and it has multi-reflect pressed glitter lavender pink. Flossy is a shimmer that is burnt sugar brown. Posh, I don't have this in order, so sorry. It's a matte, it's an ash stone matte. This is a very cool tone matte. She's expensive, it's a sandy beige shimmer. Diamond is a olive green shimmer, which you can probably see there's a little green in it. The rosé is an orchid purple shimmer. Designer Drip is a lilac purple shimmer. Hustler is this plum red color. Private Island is a marmalade orange matte. just setting is a blush red. These shadows, I can tell you, are off the bat and already done so many videos on this, and I do have I think I do have a playlist. If I don't, I'll create one for you guys. I have many of theirs. The only thing I do not have is their first one, and they have other ones. I didn't get December, January one. I'm planning to get that one because I think that's a pretty palette, which I'm going to get if I don't like this particular palette that's coming in August, if they do coming up with another one. Since all COVID is doing is just no. The shimmers do have a little bit of fallout, a little bit, but they're very pigmented. I do have one of these designer drip on my lid, and it did have a little fallout, but it's not too much. The glitter is a glitter, it's a standard pressed glitter. You do have to put glitter glue on it, but it's not, yeah. And of course their mattes. Their mattes are very pigmented. They're easy to blend. I will see in the video in just a minute. Their mattes are easily to blend. They do not make it muddy or anything like this. I did use Posh in the corner on top of the Hustler for more depth into my eye, because I do have a hooded eye, but yeah. But these colors are so pretty. I really like how they come out with these beautiful eyeshadows. The shimmers, like I said, they're really pretty. I really do enjoy them and everything else, because I have a lot of theirs I will be using soon, because I feel like they need to be brought up, because I haven't used them once. I use them once or twice and that's it, and I'm buying more products, more eyeshadows, but I'm tempted not to do that much anymore. I'm trying to do a no buy soon, so because soon to happen later this summer. But they do are magnetic, so it's not like it's gonna break. This is a little heavy, so yeah. And like each palette is always different. I'll show you your 9 pin. Okay, this is, I think this is March and April. I won't say that, but this is one of their Taco Tuesday, and you see they're versatile on these. So yeah, this is what they look like. So you get, as you can see, on both of them, they're quite different. They're not like, oh, you get wide range of colors in these palettes. And like I said, I really do recommend them. I have not yet given that palette for a palette I did not like or anything like that, but if I don't like the palette or see it, I won't get it. But you know, sometimes taste might change. But this is your 12, and of course this is your 9 pan, and as you can see, these are pretty much, you can tell this is a very warm palette, but this is really pretty. I do like this one, but I will be using. But like I said, same thing with this, still class, and this is a very light one compared to this size, so there's definitely a weight difference on this. I don't know if the other one I have has the same weight as this, but I really do like, that's why I love these, because I can make a collection out of these LiveGlam Shadow Me's. And I do have their matte lipsticks, and they're really good. So yeah. So guys, I hope you try these palettes. I hope if you haven't already, you need to, I think y'all should, I think you should get it. So you got maybe I'm trying to think how many days. You about have about maybe about 40 days, maybe 30 days left to get this palette. So yeah, and it's every 2 months. And you do get points by reviewing them, and also you get points for referring someone. Also, you can, if you don't like the palette or any of the palettes they have or anything, you you could trade it with points, and you can use those points for other products that they have, like their lipsticks. They do have lip liners, they do have lipsticks, they do have brushes that from Morphe. Most of the brushes they have is from Morphe, so I think all of the brushes are from Morphe. But just do what you want to do with your points. I've used my points, and yeah, for $19.99, this is really good alternative than other palettes you see. They will work for different skin tones. They're, like I said, they're amazing, and I love them. So, and they're going off and on. It's not been every 2 months lately because of COVID. It's been going about every 3 months or so. But I'm not mad at the situation or anything like that. But that's something like I want more. But yeah, yeah. So $19.99 for every 2 months to get a new shadow, where you might get a 9-pan or a 12-pan. So I do recommend them. I like these because they're just a base for eyeshadow. That's it. Yeah. So I'm gonna stop blabbering, and guys, here goes the outlook. And then I'm gonna finish up everything. So we're just gonna go here first, and then we're gonna go with just setting, just as a transition shade. We're just going to use it Powde. I'm going to use Hustler and this to darken this color up. I lightly dust a Posh just to darken it up some, so just to have more of a depth into it. And we're going to use Designer Drip right here. And then we're going to use Hustle again, just underneath. And we're going to use Rosé for the inner corner. This shimmer, like really just gonna be really intense, like this. So I'm gonna finish up the face, and then yeah, this is the finished look. The like button. If you want to try out LiveGlam Eyeshadow Club, there's a referral down in the description box for you guys. And also, if you haven't already, hit the subscribe button so you can be part of the Makeup Addict family. And of course, hit the notification bell so you can be notified of any new videos that I upload. Guys, I love you. I hope you have a wonderful day or night wherever you're at. And God bless. Bye.